Okay, let's go! Hi, my name is Simon ManBass Daigle. We all know that the great Tina Turner is dead. I know no one will believe me, but I wanted to do that video before she died. I didn't even know she was sick. Enough talk, let's get started. When I played this song live and there's no keyboard, I use that hybrid technique. And when I do that, the singers tell me, Simon, you're simply the best. Have fun and don't be afraid to create your own techniques to be musical. See you soon! I know no one will... When I play that song live... Have fun and don't be afraid to create your own techniques to what? To be musical!